What's the real purpose of our lives? What's the real purpose of our lives? What I found in my own life is that there was more to my purpose than just trading time for dollars or having a bigger practice or a better house or a better neighborhood. I didn't have true freedom. I had a ball and chain that I was sort of set up by well-meaning people, society, teachers, our industry. Early in life, I was very, very tactical, as I think probably most of us are. I was just a doer. I just get out and I work. I just do things, but it was always this, that, and the other, and trying to do too many things at one time. Really, I think success in life is less about what you know. It's more about how we think. How we think, that accurate thinking. I think that's the most important thing. The less I do tactically, the more freedom I have and the more impact I can have. And that's a hard lesson for us to learn because we're so used to taking everything on ourselves. The vulnerability that we've all seen this year, that connection, that tie, that dependence on active income, that one stream of income has proven to be very, very short-lasting this year. Having multiple lines in the water, multiple lines of revenue is a key to building and maintaining your wealth, which gives you the opportunity to have more freedom. Are we thinking accurately about what our real goals are and how to get there and how to remove those constraints? So many things that we do in life with our businesses or personal life or even our investments have constraints about them, right? And so if we can identify those bottlenecks or constraints, we can figure out the solution to how to fix those. The throughput, in other words, the throughput to our goal is streamlined and so much faster. How many times in life do we look at things and we make them more complex, or they're so complex we feel like we can never dig in and figure them out, right? So what do? We just push aside and go, well, I can't fix that, I'll go move on over here. Look at your whole operation. Think of it in terms of bottlenecks. Where's your company slowest and backed up the most? Then reverse engineer that and continue to reduce those bottlenecks. Without clarity and focus, putting out the fires, trying to solve the issue of the day, right? Instead of looking for the constraints and building the systems and processes and innovating to get through those constraints. You can't be complacent about this. It's not a time to say, well, we got through the COVID back in the spring and back in business, and for most of us, business is back up and business is good. And that is a blessing. That's a blessing. But we can't be complacent about that because I don't think we're anywhere near the end of the repercussions with what's happened this year. But a lot of people are floating right now with a lot of extra cash. My goodness, I mean, no wonder the stock market's way up here. And real estate is way up as well. So we have to look at that and say, well, where do we go next? This is not about fear. This is about just not being complacent. It's about being intentional about how you're building your pathway to your freedom goals. What do you think is your primary constraint right now? What is your bottleneck? How will you begin to attack and identify and open up that constraint? If you enjoyed watching or learning from this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more content. If you have a question about any of my content or this specific video, just please leave a comment down below. And as always, stay focused on your freedom. I'll see you next time.